What's up, my friends? Hey, it's your girl, Erica V. Okay, so listen, I had to just pop on here quick because I got to hurry up because I got an amazing free workshop coming up like in 40 something minutes, 50 something, something like that soon. Okay, but I wanted to make this video to invite you. Okay, so if you have a home-based business, if you're thinking about having a home-based business, if you've been thinking about it for a long time, better register for my free workshop. Okay, I'm going to break it down 5 simple things that you can do, and it's going to help you to increase your sales. If you're going to build a team, to build your team, to retain these people, I'm just going to break it down. And the reason why I'm offering this, number one, I stopped doing free Zooms a long time ago, but I decided to do this workshop because I have had so much stuff happen in my life in the past few months, and I was able to keep all my businesses afloat. And I was like, you know what? Let me explain to others how they can do this. So when life, gives you lemons, right? And you're supposed to make lemonade, right? Well, guess what? I'm going to hand you a simple recipe that you can follow. So back to school is coming. Maybe you're going back to work. Maybe the kiddos are going, back to school, and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm going to pause my business, or now's not a good time to start a business. I'm going to show you why it is the best time. The best time is right now. Okay. So register blessingmethod.com/workshop. If you know somebody who has a home-based business, is a direct seller, affiliate marketer, network marketer, please give them this link. Make sure they know to list your name because there's prizes. I'm all about prizes. Prizes involved. Okay, so it's tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. But if you can't pop on, that's okay. You can choose to receive the replay. Okay, so no stress. All right. But I'd love for you to tune in. If you are live, you have the advantage of asking me questions. Okay, so hope to see you. Please, again, be a blessing to others. You never know who's I can't talk tonight, who's praying for a solution. Please send them this link. This workshop is going to be a game changer. I can promise you that. All right, see you